Hey everyone, I'm going to explain my idle problem I'm having. It's only between idle and 1500 RPMs. Here, let me give it a little bit of gas. If I turn the AC on, it's even worse while it idles. It'll even stall out sometimes. Higher RPMs is fine, it's just lower. See? Up there it's totally fine, but down here, and I'm not getting any kind of check engine light or anything. So, if anyone knows what that is, it'd be greatly appreciated.